So today we are working on beans. Basically, we remove the ends of the beans. Right, Mom? And why do we do this? Why do we do this?
Because they are hard and stuck in the throat.
Teeth, probably. So,
They're hard.
so unlike in the US, we do this manually here. What kind of beans are these, Ma?
These are French beans.
French beans. So it's nice to do this together
Yes.
because we get to chit chat.
These are hybrid type.
These are hybrid beans. Mom was telling me that
In our childhood, we used to have ordinary beans,
yeah,
and we used to remove the fiber. Fiber means like this.
I see. So they were
Long thread like thing.
yeah. So they would when they would remove the beans, they would get like this thing at the end that they would have to remove. There's music playing in the background, so see, like that.
Celebration. Sai Baba cart.
Yeah, there's a card celebrating God, Hindu God.
They keep a photo and they go on the road,
Yeah,
and people who are devotees of Baba, they give money.
yes.
So that's how they earn money for their livelihood.
So that's what they do. How often do you make these beans, Ma? How often do you cook these
Once
French
in-
beans?
Once in 10 days. These are expensive. So
How expensive are they? How much do they cost in Indian money?
250 grams, 40 rupees.
Okay.
250 grams. Yes. Still I buy because I like variety of vegetables, not eating the same. And I prefer green vegetables instead of a potato and other,
Right.
fruit vegetables. Underground fruit, tubers.
Right. So are these good for people who are diabetic and
And now just wash,
right?
get them, I'll cut.
Look at that.
Leave it to me. So this we throw.
We throw this.
Or sometimes put in the vegetable garden pots.
Right.
Now wash them and cut them and cook them.
Right. They make delicious dishes out here.
We put popu. We put garnish with mustard seeds and urad dal seeds in a little oil.
What is urad dal for our viewers who might not know what urad dal is? What is that in?
That gram dal.
I see.
White, black. White. It's white. They remove the skin and we call it popu in Telugu.
I see. Oh, thank you, Mom, for this
వచ్చేసింది.
important session. Our cook is here, so she's here to help Mom. Well, thank you guys, and we will catch up with you for another session. Bye bye.